Tammy Minoff couldn't believe what she saw in this video showing an Amazon delivery driver who appeared to spit on his hand and wipe it on a package delivered to her neighbor's door. The video posted to social media shows the gross scene that unfolded around 6 o'clock Thursday night in Hancock Park. The recipients didn't want to go on camera, but say they went to retrieve the package and noticed it was wet. At first, they thought a dog had urinated on it, so they decided to look at their Ring camera video and were horrified.
The proof was in the pudding, seeing that video, and they just wanted us all to be warned and be on the lookout.
The residents quickly decontaminated themselves and called police and Amazon. We also reached out to the company, who told us the delivery person is no longer delivering packages for the company. And, quote, "We are aggressively investigating. If it truly was a malicious act by the driver, we will be sure he is held accountable up through and including law enforcement action." Meanwhile, the residents say they posted the incident on social media to warn their neighbors, and Tammy Minoff is glad they did.
I hope it's really taken seriously by Amazon and